So let's take a look at this headboard pillow from WOWMAX. This is in my son's bedroom. I love that they have this little pocket. My son always puts his phone in there. These are just so thick and such great quality. One thing I've noticed, because we've tried a different brand, they have a greater feel to them and they're just a much higher quality. They are going to cost a little bit more, but you're going to get your money's worth here. They do have a zipper. You can completely take the cover off and wash them. It takes a little bit of finagling with the buttons, so keep that in mind. Just really love how it creates this base on the bed. It just makes it so comfortable if you're sitting up in bed. And again, the width of these is what really sets the WOWMAX apart from all others. If you have this, you don't even need a headboard. My daughter has this in her dorm as well, and we just really love the functionality of these. And at the moment, we have them on 3 beds in our house and in both of our kids' dorm rooms. Can't say enough great things about the WOWMAX. You won't regret it.